in a recent development highlighting the escalating tensions in the volatile region. The United States military engaged in a defensive operation against 6 Houthi unmanned aerial vehicles over the Red Sea. The incident underscores the complex dynamics at play in the ongoing conflict in Yemen and the broader geopolitical landscape of the Middle East. The conflict in Yemen has been raging for years, with various factions vying for control and regional powers getting involved in the fray. The Houthi rebels, who are aligned with Iran, have been engaged in a protracted conflict against the internationally recognized government of Yemen, which is supported by a Saudi-led coalition. The conflict has resulted in a devastating humanitarian crisis, with millions of people facing food insecurity, displacement, and the collapse of essential services. Tensions in the region have been on the rise in recent months, with a series of attacks and provocations attributed to the Houthis. These include missile and drone strikes targeting civilian infrastructure in Saudi Arabia, as well as attacks on commercial shipping in the Red Sea. The involvement of external actors, including Iran and the United States, has further complicated the situation and raised concerns about the potential for a wider conflagration. In response to the threat posed by Houthi UAVs, the United States military took proactive measures to defend against potential attacks. Engaging 6 unmanned aerial vehicles over the Red Sea demonstrates the U.S. commitment to safeguarding its interests and those of its allies in the region. The operation highlights the growing significance of unmanned technology in modern warfare and the need for robust defense capabilities to counter emerging threats. The U.S. engagement of Houthi UAVs raises important questions about the evolving dynamics of conflict in the Middle East and the role of external actors in exacerbating or mitigating tensions. It also underscores the challenges of addressing asymmetric threats posed by non-state actors using unconventional means of warfare. As the situation continues to unfold, it will be essential for all parties involved to exercise restraint and seek diplomatic solutions to prevent further escalation and alleviate the suffering of the Yemeni people. The recent engagement of Houthi unmanned aerial vehicles by the United States military over the Red Sea underscores the complex and volatile nature of the conflict in Yemen and the broader geopolitical dynamics at play in the Middle East. As tensions continue to simmer, it is imperative for all stakeholders to prioritize dialogue and diplomacy to address the underlying grievances and work towards a sustainable peace in the region.